How to change account email on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your account email on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change your account email on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser, go to facebook.com. Once you go to facebook.com, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to click your profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then you simply want to go to the option called settings. Then just click on settings option. When you go to settings, on the left hand side you'll find this option called account center, so you want to make sure to click on see more in account center button, and under it you'll find this option called personal details. Click on personal details here. As you go to personal details, at the very top you can see account contact info, so you can click on contact info here, and then here you can see my phone number and email. So if you'd like to add a new contact, first of all you can choose to add a new contact email over here. Once you've basically selected a new email, in this case that you'd like to add it for, you can simply go ahead and enter them. Click on the next option. Once you've added the email, you can select the current one, and now you can go ahead and remove this current email as well. This way you can change the account email on Facebook. It's a little bit confusing because now you have to do it from account center. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.